Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone or iPad supports Face ID and that the system is up to date. Once done, charge the device about 20% or more and wipe the true depth camera area so scans are accurate. You will need your current passcode to begin the secure Face ID enrollment because the system requires it as a fallback. This is not a bypass. Now tap Settings, then Face ID and Passcode, and authenticate with your passcode to continue. You follow the on-screen prompts to perform the first scan. Hold the device at arm's length, position your face in the frame, and move your head slowly in a circle until the scan completes. Once the first scan finishes, the system asks for a second scan. Do another rotation to capture more angles. Make sure to enable Require Attention for stronger security, and then select which apps may use Face ID. These steps ensure reliable unlocks without compromising fallback protections. You finish by testing Face ID under varied lighting and wearing your regular glasses or accessories. If it fails, unlock with your passcode and then go back to settings to reset Face ID and re-enroll. Small changes in angle or lighting often fix recognition. Keep in mind why passcode remains required. It's the secure fallback and cannot be legally removed. If persistent problems occur, update the OS, contact manufacturer support, or visit an authorized service provider for hardware checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.